Hey guys, what's up? I'm back, and you know what that means. I am here to show you another amazing van, but even more importantly, in this video, I'm gonna have two new products to show you. You've never seen these products before, and that is not any kind of clickbait, it's just the truth. So I'm excited to show you this, as well as what we did to make this Chevy van as awesome as it looks right now. Let's jump into what we did. First thing I want to talk about is this awesome set of Method wheels. Now, I want to say that this is going to be the first van to ever get this. This is a new wheel. This is the 317. It is a 17-inch wheel. It's 8.5 inches wide. It does have 4 3/4 back spacing and a 0 offset. So a ton of knowledge right there thrown down on you if you're looking to add wheels to your Chevy Express van. I will also put a link to this wheel down below, and you can go and purchase it right here from our lovely Weldtec website. Heck, buy a lift kit. We'll give you a deal on the wheels as well. So talking about lift kits on there, well wait, let's first finish this off and finish these tires, right? You want to know what size tire can I fit on there? Well, this is going to be a 265/70/17 beautiful BFG. You know we love our KO2 tires. I mean, this is just plain sexiness right here. And in order to fit this tire on here, we only did one thing. That's going to be our 3-inch lift spindle. That is another thing of beauty. I wish we could just not even powder coat those. And to finish this off, we did add a set of Fox shocks to control that ride. You know we love adding our Fox shocks to our kits, and that's it. Up front, well, except for a bumper, but I think we're gonna go talk suspension first, or should we talk a bumper first? What do you guys wanna do? Let's finish this off. Let's head to the back and show you what we did in the rear. The rear of this Chevy Express, we did add a 2-inch block to get us all of the lift out of it, which works really good with that 3-inch lift spindle up front. To finish it off in the rear, we also added a set of Fox shocks to control that ride. Now, the only other thing that I would tell you that would make this kit ride even nicer, especially for a passenger van that does not have a build out in it, would be our negative overload spring. And if you don't know what that is, I will make sure, how about let's throw up a card, we'll head over, we'll check out that, come back to it and check it out. We'll also put a link down below, because that will make a huge improvement if you have a passenger van and you feel like the van is just riding really stiff in the rear. Well, that's really cool, but I have something even cooler to show you. Let's go talk bumpers and maybe a hood on the Chevy Express van. All right guys, I think I found something really cool on this Chevy Express van. I should have the Australian accent, like, I've never seen anything like this before out in the wild, especially in the cul-de-sac, but here it is. Boom. Dude, what do you guys think of that? You wanted simplicity, you wanted easy, you wanted sexy, you want a Prerunner rear bumper. This thing is ultra sleek, it is ultra slim, and just beautiful. This is our new Prerunner bumpers for the Chevy Express rear van. Now, really, I mean, gosh, it's just so basic and simple that you just gotta love it. I will tell you that it does have a hole here and a tab so that you can add a rear light pod as well. If you wanna add rear lighting to the back of your van, it's gonna give you a platform in order to step up and get in. But other than that, it's going to be really simple. You can still run your trailer hitch on the bottom of it. It's not gonna interfere with that as well. I mean, overall, guys, I think it's this is a big thumbs up. Now, the negative in it, this is not modular like some of our other bumpers where you get to add a spare tire or you get to add a box tray mount. You're not able to do that with this bumper. This is a one and done. This is our Prerunner bumper from Weldtec Designs. We're taking it back, we're going to our roots, bringing out the Prerunner stuff. There it is for the Chevy Express van. Let's check out the front. All right, so we can't have a rear Prerunner bumper without a front Prerunner bumper. And do I even need to talk during this, or do we just get like really cool B-roll shots of this? Single tube bumper covering all the stuff that you don't want to see behind where the old bumper used to be. It's still going to have the skid plate on there, keeping that nice approach angle, not interfering with the ground clearance underneath it. It's just everything that you could possibly want in a bumper. It doesn't hold a winch. This is taking it back, old school, pre-runner style. Just go out, run stuff over, and have some fun. Wait a second, I'm still not done talking pre-runner, kind of just fun. I do have one more thing to show you. We gotta head up this way, let's go. All right, so if you're gonna have a pre-runner bumper on your van, you better have some white fiberglass. Doesn't even have to be white, mine's black. But anyways, guys, add some fiberglass to your van, and you can do just that with this hood, as it does have that stylish updated drop center. Since Chevy hasn't updated this since like 1996, we figure we might as well take the ball and just do something a little bit different. So let me know what you guys think. If you've never seen that before, I'd love to hear it. Our fiberglass hood, dude, this thing's rad, right? Well, there it is, guys. A whole bunch of fun wrapped up in a Chevy Express package. And if you like having fun with me, you like learning about new products, well, definitely smash that subscribe button here at Weldtec Designs, because we do new videos every week about vans. And if you want to go even more in depth, go and check out Jeremy's World 10. That is my new YouTube channel, where we're talking about all kinds of even more just craziness, guys. That's what it is over there. It's just craziness. So if you're entertained here, you're really going to be entertained over there. So that's all I got. If you have any questions about anything I talked about in this video, make sure you comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. It helps us a bunch to the YouTube gods. We're always praying to the YouTube gods, you know, push our videos out more. Otherwise, that's all I got. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. I'll see you in the next video.